Trieste, Italy, close to Duino Castle. And I found this. They call it Paleolithic area this here, but look at this, quite ancient. I can see very smooth here. Looks like an old concrete change of material. With the time you can see it's smooth here, very smooth. And then there it's very worn out. And with it, and here the shape, look at the imprint of some kind of post, even here. And all these big blocks here look very, very old. And also these holes here, you cannot see the sign inside. Especially you don't see at the very end the little bit that leaves the mark of the bit of the drill. I don't see it. You see there are plenty of these. Looks like there are imprints because they leave the fabric of the material. You don't see very much the sign of the machine. Especially you don't see at the very end. See better here. They leave the same sign on top here where there is being chopped out, let's say. But probably inside here originally was a piece of iron or whatever. And you can see the sign here. They are inside here. Shouldn't be here if it was cut with a drill. But instead you can see there's all the imprints of whatever went or was inside there, then it went on top. But you can see there is no sign of cutting. It's just the shape. Left the shape. You can see it's banded. So the thing that was inside here, whatever it was, wood, iron, plastic, whatever. And these are big transformed blocks in whatever it is now that is quite hard. It's granite. Looks like there's quartz inside. Very hard, very tough. I don't see the sign inside here. No, at the all ends of this, let's say, if we assume it is a drill bit, there is no sign here of the bit. Walls is a kind of machining. You can see regular shape. Even this one, it's quite rough, but it's quite regular. If you go from afar, you can see they're all quite regular. It's a kind of big machine using here. That's cool. Look at this. Quite big logs. They probably excavated and they found it and they left it here. Oh, this is quite cool. I don't think it's very recent, this one. Look at here. It's kind of, I don't know, 4-5 millimeters. And you can see that it's no recent, this stuff here. This cut here is no recent. So now I can see that they use something. Look how smooth it is here. Very smooth. So they use some kind of saw or any machine that could do this kind of cut. With a big log. And this one, this hole, now that I can see, it doesn't look like a drill bit because look, the shape is kind of, you can see the side here, kind of hexagonal side. So whatever it was efficient because you could make a hole, and also this kind of side here. They're very worn out though. There's a dam here, and I want to give you an example. You see, this is much recent. Our very weak concrete. You can see it's all stones and little geopolymer. But inside the iron, once past a lot of years, millennia, you left with a hole inside because this is going to disappear and will remain the imprint. That's why I'm saying it's misleading. It can be a drill bit, but in this case, it could very much be a left of imprints of whatever it was before. This is a very ancient place. We find dinosaurs. Look at there. That is the the copy, because I think they brought into the museum. They left there a copy.